Yo, 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 what's up, guys? Hey, brush fire builds. Back at it. Guess what we're doing? We are putting some door cards on the 76 Celica. Got a new camera. We're going to try it out, see how she looks, see how she acts. But more importantly, this thing's finally getting some door cards. Little interior work. We're trying. Make it look from that to that. It's a junkyard car. What do you expect? All right, let's get going on this thing, guys. Let's get some tools on it first. I'm gonna leave you here for a second. I'll be right back. Gonna be honest here. Don't really need much for tools. All right. Little impact and a flathead and a Phillips. Should theoretically be all I need. All right, let's see here. So we need to get back in here. I believe there's a clip. Actually, I could be wrong. I don't entirely know what's holding this thing on. We're gonna figure that out. So we'll be right back. So yeah, there was just a little guy. Little clippy clip right on the back. Easy day. Now we gotta get this thing lined up. Figure that out. So let's get some camera mounted here. There we go. That might work. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. Simple as nice. All right, grab this guy. Where'd my little hook go? All right, let's try this with a pair of pliers. We got it. First try. All right, grab the rack of bolts and just start adding them in. Easy day. Comes with all of its hardware that you need. Pretty simplistic hardware. Just a bunch of self-tappers. That's it. And run it to the holes. Actually, before we do that, all right, they give you some big old self-tappers, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these little guys because of this. Does it fit? It might fit. I don't know. We'll see. All right. Let's see what we can do. Someone's getting rowdy. So far, so good, my people. Note to self, get a tripod. No, honey. All right, let's get in there and show you. There we go. Nice and easy. Now I take the self tappers, go to the small holes, and tap it on in. Easy day. And just like that, you have installed door guards. Nice and easy. So Hopefully this comes out nice. Hopefully the volume's okay. I need to get some mics, but door cards on a 76 Celica. Pretty easy, I'd say so. So continue watching Brushfire Builds. We do small things, we do big things. Camping's coming soon too. So want to thank all of our sponsors. Go ahead and look them up in the descriptions down there. I want to thank you guys for liking, subscribing, and always watching. Thank you guys once again. Brushfire Builds, we're out of here. Also, there's the color the car is going to turn into. You all have chosen and spoken peacock blue. Hey, watch this lawn.